Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, मैं हूं आरीज और आज मैं यूं बात क्यों कर रहा हूं? मेरे हाथ में ये क्या है? No, it's not a rat, it's a dead cat over a fancy little mic. And the mic that we are going to talk about is this, the Deity D4 Duo. Alright then, let's get on with this.
So this is the Deity V-Mic D4 Duo. Duo, why Duo? Well, because of this and this. This mic which goes on top of your camera, इसमें दो mics हैं, एक आगे, एक पीछे. अब आप पूछेंगे why do you need two mics on one camera, as in what's the logic behind it? So the logic is very simple. Mostly, a lot of times when people are vlogging or talking to somebody with their camera, एक तरफ से ही आवाज आती है. The voice comes from one side, either from the front or from the back. Like supposing sometimes I travel and if I'm vlogging with my camera and the camera is facing in front, so what I'm looking at and what I'm talking about, the audio is coming from front. So I have to take out that mic and turn it towards myself and then start talking. But a mic like this is such a versatile dual purpose mic कि फिर आवाज चाहे जहां से भी आए, आगे से आए या पीछे से आए, दोनों तरफ से रिकॉर्ड होती है. And the way it does it is, this mic has a little switch over here, which splits the audio track into two, left and right channel. It makes two mono channels in which you can divide your front and your back audio mic and then mix it in your video accordingly. And if you only want the front, the main mic to work, you can switch this in front, then only the front mic will work. Wow! I mean, what an idea! पहले कभी किसी ने क्यों नहीं सोचा? इतना सिंपल है, मतलब आगे पीछे दोनों तरफ माइक है. एंड आई मीन यू टॉकिंग टू समबडी, यू आर इंटरव्यूइंग समबडी. व्हाई डोंट आई इंटरव्यू समबडी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग हो यार? लेट्स ट्राई दिस.
So hi Aries. So tell me about these nice Deity mics that you have. You have the VLAV and you have this D4 Duo. What do you think about these mics and how do you think the sound quality of these mics is? The sound quality is really good, as you can hear right now. Even the VLAV which I showed in a previous video of mine was really nice. The sound is nice, crisp, and the main thing, the quality is superb. Yeah, I mean, I can't say anything more. True. But also tell me, what is this unique feature about this D4 Duo mic that we are recording on right now? Again, let's just kind of talk about it. Yeah, so the unique feature is because it has the mic on both the ends, so it's so great if you are like interviewing somebody like this. One person is behind the camera, as one person is front of the camera, and the voice is recorded simultaneously, and it's so convenient, especially for vloggers also. It's a really great mic, I think, and they are doing something really innovative, right? I mean, yeah. Yes, you're absolutely right. These are like really one of a kind, and I think no other company has ever thought of this ingenious idea. Yeah, true. Okay, so I guess that's about it for now. Yeah.
तो देखा आपने कमाल इस अमेजिंग माइक का. Of course, talking about the audio quality of this mic is very good. It picks up all the little details in your voice and makes your voice sound nice and rich. So let me switch from this VLAV mic which I'm wearing over here from Deity, about which I've made a video previously, so that is in the link. Oh, the background light went off. Well, this video is about sound. The light really doesn't matter here. It's okay, let's continue. About this VLAV that I'm wearing over here, I've made the video previously, so you can check out that video which is in the description down below. So now let us switch the audio from this lapel lav mic over here to this mic, which I'll put on top of my camera. Alright, one second. Okay, now the mic is on top of the camera and you're hearing my voice through the Deity D4 Duo mic. I'm sure the voice is nice, loud and clear. Of course, with the on-camera mic like this, you can't move away too much because when you go too far from the camera, you'll get a lot of room tone and ambient sound. So that is of course the nature of the mic. But for anything which is really close to the camera like this, or if you are maybe even a meter away or something, this is a perfect little mic for vlogging, for interviews, for
content creation like this for YouTube videos. बहुत ही versatile mic है, बहुत ही अच्छा mic है. The audio quality is superb, like I showed you. Of course, this camera I also took on a shoot of mine recently, where I was shooting my friend Aparna. So let's go on that shoot and see how the audio sounded over there when I was introducing her, and I was taking a small little interview of her. Let's check that out.
Good morning. It's early morning over here near Kala Ghoda. If you can see the Kala Ghoda over there at the back. I am waiting for Aparna. We're going to start a shoot today. So I'm shooting with my brand new Sony A7C, and on top the mic is the Deity D4 Duo. Bada acha mic hai. It's like a mic from both the sides. So when I am talking to Aparna, you shall hear how she talks in front of the camera and I'm talking behind the camera. So I mean, it's just a very convenient little mic which can help you record audio from both the sides, from front and back. Okay, so our shoot is done and this is Aparna. Aparna, कैसा रहा shoot?
बहुत ही अच्छा रहा. आप बताओ कैसा रहा? Actually, I was just telling it to him कि when you get up and when you are coming from a fresh mind and when you are like too energetic to shoot, then everything falls in place. I think this is what happened today. It's not even 2 hours and we are done with 3 changes.
We started it at 8 o'clock and now it's 10 o'clock. And
actually not even at 8 because I was late. I came around 8:10 and then we started at 10 o'clock and I think the results are going to be fab. I hope so. जितना मैंने उसमें देखा है, I'm very excited for the pictures. Also, it's a little different from what I usually shoot, so I'm very excited.
Yeah, she's in these nice Western outfits.
Yeah.
Very French kind of a
Very
feel.
French. I thought I'll take inspiration from his looks. I didn't want to look Indian, although my features are like totally Indian. But I think I have shot a lot of times in Indian wear, so I wanted to shoot something different. And every time I shoot with him, हम लोग कब से plan कर रहे थे.
This is our second shoot together, but again, even last time was quick.
Yeah, it was very quick, and I think that is the best part because photo shoots tend to become very boring after a point of time, but today it was absolutely amazing. Like I had a fun time. I had music going in my mind. I'm just like chilling, having a Sunday.
And
good
we are
morning.
at a nice place over here, town side, Kala Ghoda over there. This is where the Kala Ghoda festival happens really. So yeah.
Yeah. And this is where we are and we are done. Bye.
So there you go. आपने देखा ये माइक कितना वर्सेटाइल और कितना अमेजिंग है. एक छोटे से सेटअप, एक छोटे से कैमरा के साथ या एक बड़े से कैमरा के साथ भी परफेक्ट बैठता है. Now there's another very interesting feature in this. Apart from this output socket over here, there's also an input socket. तो अब input क्या करता है? Well, you can add another additional small little mic like a live mic like this which I'm wearing over here on my collar, and you can have another input in this when you're recording from this front side mic. And इसका क्या काम आता है? Well, supposing you are a musician or something like that and you're putting this mic on top of the camera and recording yourself. और अगर आप गा रहे हैं साथ में and you want your instrument to be recorded separately on a separate track, well, you put this lapel mic in front of your instrument, supposing your keyboard or your guitar, and put that mic wire in this input socket. So that will be a separate track. Your audio will be recorded separately और आपकी आवाज separate record होगी. तो बिना किसी मिक्सर के, बिना किसी external मिक्सर के या कोई ताम झाम के 2 separate tracks में audio record हो जाएगा and you can very well mix them together and have a great output. Isn't this so amazing? So many amazing features in this small little mic. Small but powerful. Of course, it comes with these 2 dead cats. Dead cats are of course these fluffy little things which are used so that अगर आप बाहर हैं और कुछ विंडी एरिया में हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा अगर हवा आए तो वो आवाज़ रंबल टंबल ना करे, आवाज़ क्रिस्टल क्लियर रहेगी जब ये डेड कैट आप माइक के ऊपर लगाकर यूज़ करेंगे. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट दिस ग्रेट माइक विच इज़ द V-Mic D4 Duo from Deity. If you want to buy it, there's the link in the description below. You can click on it and buy it. और अगर आपके पास कोई और सवाल हैं तो feel free to write in the comments below और मैं reply ज़रूर करूँगा. और please don't forget to like this video if you liked it and if you thought this was a great little review of this mic. And if you think I was informative and entertaining enough, please do subscribe to my channel because if you don't, somebody else will. Hopefully. And until next time, keep shooting.